Okay, woodworkers, welcome back. So you can see that I cut the MDF on the bandsaw and center line is somewhere around there, good. And you can also see that my line is still engaged or drawn on the board still. There's a couple ways of truing out this curve or ferrying this curve. I would argue that the edge sander would be the easiest way to the fastest, as long as that bed is perpendicular to where the belt is. Just drop this thing in and then zip it across and then you're done. If you don't have an edge sander, then you need to get creative about how to true these things out. I think bringing a handheld belt sander onto this tool or onto this board is dangerous. You can roll it. It can also start to do really horrible things. You can start to dish or make flat areas, which are not helpful. So instead what I've done is I've already taken care of and ferried out this half, but with a block plane, I'm going to just take off these high spots, and I can see where I'm at the bandsaw mark, so I know when I have a nice smooth edge that I'm at least getting off that machined part. Try to be mindful of when I'm using this tool to keep it square to the face of this board. You can see there's a high spot right here and a little low spot, so I need to true that one up. Because there's no grain direction to worry about on MDF, I can cut in either direction. So this gives me a bit of a better view of what's happening. Okay. So a little bit of low spot here, but what I want to do is I'm not even looking at this. I want to just run my fingers across this. Your fingers are incredibly sensitive to hips and valleys and all of those things. So just kind of gauging where this stuff is at will help me to dial it in. Okay. Also watching my line as a reference to see I haven't gone too far. Okay, you get the idea. Got a little low spot here still, so I'll continue to work this one, but after this is done, then I'm going to lay this template onto the MDF, and then take it over to the bandsaw and do the same thing. So I'll trim this stuff off, but again, I want the MDF to extend the template by about 1/8 of an inch, possibly 1/4 of an inch of difference here. If I've done that, then I'm successful, then I'm ready to start going to the next step. So I'll turn off the camera, continue ferrying this, and then I'll show you how to get this thing screwed up.